How to program your sound keyboard settings in Microsoft PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can program your sound keyboard settings in Microsoft PowerToys. So let's get started. One thing that you need to know is that PowerToys does not directly control system sound settings like volume, mic level, or audio devices. What it can do is program keyboard shortcuts that control or trigger sound-related actions. So first thing that you need to do is that make sure you have installed Microsoft PowerToys. For that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store, go to the search bar, type in PowerToys, and if you have not installed it yet, you'll be able to see an install button. Click on that, and once done, you'll be able to see open. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the PowerToys settings. Next, you gotta go to the search bar at the top and type in Keyboard Manager. So simply type in keyboard and here it is, click on it. So you gotta make sure that Keyboard Manager is enabled. You gotta toggle this on, and then just beneath it, you'll be able to see remap a key. Click on it, and then you gotta click on add key remapping. Here, you gotta select any key that you want to associate with volume up, volume down, or mute. Let's say we want to add a key for volume up. So here, you gotta select a key. For example, I'm gonna click on Y, and then click on OK. And then in mapped to, you're going to click on select, and here you're going to press the key of volume up that is already. So in my computer, it's F3. So I'm going to click on F3 and click on OK. And then you're going to click on OK once again and you're good to go. So you can do that similarly for volume up, volume down, mute, or any other option you want. So that is how you can program your sound keyboard settings in Microsoft PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.